Hello students, in today's math class we have discussed exercise 3 of fraction unit. In this we have to fill the missing numbers. You have to count the parts in which this rectangle is divided into, and then you have to write the fraction of the shaded portion. So we can see that out of 5 parts, one part is shaded or colored, so it becomes 1/5 of the rectangle. Okay, now in this rectangle how many parts are shaded? 2. So the fraction of the shaded part becomes 2/5. Similarly here, and now you can learn that how do we write fractions in words. 1/5, 2/5, 4/6. Okay, so what do we mean by the fraction 1/5? It means one part out of 5 equal parts. This is only what happening in this figure, right? One part is shaded out of 5 parts. So this is what it is written in words. Similarly here, 2 parts out of 5 equal parts, 4 parts out of 6 equal parts. Now next is, you have, this is an activity which you can do after getting a cutting of a circle. You can take a color sheet, it will be good. Okay, and then you can fold it into half, and that half also have to be folded equally, and thus you will get the quarter portion of the circle. So this quarter part of the circle is called 1/4 in fraction. Okay, now here the fraction is written in words, you have to write in numbers. So 2/6 can be written as 2/6. 2/5 can be written as 2/5. 3/5, similarly 3/5 can be written as 3/5. 5/7 can be written as 5/7. Next is, fill in the fractions. Now see, as I told you, one complete object is known as whole, or it is called one. Now here, as you get the chocolates, chocolate bar आप लेते हो, in the Cadbury chocolate, there are pieces, square pieces, joint square pieces, and you can easily count them like 8, or sometimes if you take the biggest bar it can have more than 8. Here I have drawn a chocolate bar of 8 square pieces. So if you have eaten one square part, so what fraction will it give you? It will give you 1/8. Okay, similarly here, these 3 parts are called as 1. Now if out of these 3 we picked one part, then what will be the fraction? 1/3, or we can say 1/3. In this hexagon figure, you see this is divided into how many parts? 6 parts. Okay, these 6 parts makes one figure, and if we pick one part out of 6, it will give us the fraction of 1/6. In this 5th question, what fraction represent the shaded part? You have to first count the total number of part of the figure that you can write at the bottom first, and then just read that what is being asked in the question. It is asking the shaded part of the star. Then we can see only one part is shaded, so it means the fraction is 1/6. Now in this figure, in this triangle, there are some sub part of triangles, and we have to tell the shaded part. Now do not get confused, it is saying shaded part, so this one which is highlighting here, it is unshaded. Other rest 3 out of 4 are shaded. So we have to tell shaded part. The fraction will be like 3/4. In this heart shape, how many parts are shaded? We can see one part, so it is the 1/2, means half of the part of this heart is shaded. Now here you have to color the 3/4 part of the shape. So what you will do, you can see that all 3 shapes are having 4 parts. That's why it is written 4 at the bottom, because all these figures have 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, you have to color just 3 parts. So just color or shade, I have shaded it with my pencil. So shade only 3 parts, it will give us the fraction of 3/4. That's all about today's class. Thank you.